Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S4 versus RS4. We'll explore their distinct characteristics to help you decide which performance sedan best suits your needs. Both offer a thrilling V8 engine and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive, but their philosophies on performance and daily usability differ significantly. Let's dive into the details and uncover what makes each model unique. When it comes to power, both cars feature a 4.2-liter V8 engine. However, the S4's engine produces about 339 horsepower, offering robust acceleration for daily driving. The RS4, on the other hand, utilizes a highly reworked FSI V8, pushing out an impressive 420 horsepower. This allows the RS4 to achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.8 seconds, compared to the S4's 5.6 seconds. Beyond raw power, the driving experience varies. The S4 provides a comfortable ride with its standard suspension, making it an excellent daily driver. In contrast, the RS4 is engineered for performance, featuring a stiffer, lower suspension and a wider track for enhanced cornering. It also comes equipped with larger, more powerful brakes and distinctive Recaro sport seats. Additionally, the RS4 incorporates lightweight aluminum body panels, contributing to its agile feel. So which one is right for you? If you desire a powerful, comfortable, and practical performance car for everyday use, the S4 is an excellent choice. However, if you prioritize aggressive handling, a high-revving engine, and a more track-focused experience, the RS4 will undoubtedly satisfy your craving for exhilaration. Remember to consider potential maintenance differences, as the specialized components of the RS4 can lead to higher costs. Ultimately, experiencing both vehicles firsthand will help you make the best decision.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.